I got a purge, boys. It's time. It's time. It's time. We've accumulated a number of things unnecessarily. Well, I mean, you know, it's all got its purpose, but the problem is I'm only one dick. I got all kinds of ideas, but I'm only one dick, so we gotta fucking, we gotta relax, we gotta dull things down a little bit, give myself a little more room, focus on, you know, one project at a time, but yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there, that's the issue. Okay, let's see if I can put a dent in some of this junk. Not junk, some good stuff, no. This is going to take forever. This is a 3 by 10 foot area in my shop, and we're multiple days into her now, boys. We just need to, we got a job coming up, we don't got time for this. You know what I mean? Long time coming, boys. I wanted to do this for a while, and I got that fucking bench, and then I didn't like it, so I sold it. Good guy 4-starred me, fucking goof, and then yeah, it's just been it's been a struggle. It's been a struggle, boys. Not gonna lie, but yeah, we're getting there a little bit at a time. We're getting the drawers sorted out. Getting friggin' all the junk just thrown in the garbage because I've realized that it's just simply not worth it. This is fucked. Like, even I can't even use the good stuff that I have because it's buried in a sea of shit. Oh, I like this already. I like this already, you guys. What do you think? Scoot. Flickety scoot. Flickety scoot. Flickety scoot. Well, it's been a few weeks, but here's the area. Here's what she looks like. We got some decorative friggin' accents. But yeah, the biggest thing is organizing these drawers, getting all the junk. Just, you know what I mean. There's nowhere to set anything down. You can't get anything done. Simple as friggin' that. So I'm hoping to set up a little area here where we can get some camera shots of some different stuff. I mean, even over here, all the batteries, I mean, I tested all the batteries and there's only 3 good ones. Well, there was only 2 good ones because the one's from a fuel in the back there. And that one there's dick too, so it's probably no good. But started out over here, you know what I mean? We're just friggin' taking a race. We got our friggin' batteries, got more batteries. Bring the scrapyard there, so friggin' rights for that. Just gotta clean this out too. This has gotta go. We're gonna put the power washer there so that we can just, you know, she's set up and ready to go at all times. I mean, we got the mule tools, got the friggin' mule tools friggin' guy there, but we'll get the hot water guy set up and stuff. And still got, you know, table load of shit to put, you know, that's just, you know, it's just not quite ready yet. But I got to get this set up for wintertime. We got quite the projects coming up here. And, summer's just about over, so wintertime's just around the corner. We'll have to, one step at a time. I mean, you can see, like over here, nice. That's what we like to see. Over here, not so good, right? So a little bit more to go. Not too bad. I'm kind of liking going through my stuff here, friggin' finding all my good stuff. I want to get rid of this wooden cabinet. I got it free when I bought that friggin' press, right? Hydraulic press. When I bought that press, I seen that and I was like, oh, what are you doing with that? Oh, you can have that to go. So I brought it home. It's got nuts and bolts in it and friggin', you know, some stuff, but don't utilize it as much as I would like. So it's got to go, and then we can maybe put these guys, because there's some on the other side there, you know what I mean? Whatever, we'll figure it out. We're sorting. We're sorting out the good stuff, making it so as that wintertime comes, we got that GMC truck, we got the Grumman, we got Traptors, FridayPart.com, we got a couple sod cutters over there, friggin' that roller. So that's the plan onwards. We'll clean it up and we'll organize everything, and it'll be totally friggin' awesome. And then when it comes time to do projects, we can just do it. And I come out here and I'm done. Oh my God, I got 3 days worth of moving stuff to friggin' even get my shit in here. It just takes the stovepipe right out of your Sager, boys. So get this next couple jobs done here, and yeah, that's probably it. Hey, that's probably it. Once it gets friggin' cold out and miserable, I don't want to be outside friggin' digging in the mud. That's no fun at all. Anyways, boys, let me know what you think. Friggin', it's a lot of work. I mean, this is days and days. Just this little section right here, like a 3 foot by 10 foot area. Absolutely days and days and days and days and days. And then plus we did another probably day and a half over here. And we still got some good stuff. Got battery testers, fuse boxes. You know, there's 3 sets of brake flaring tools, and there's soldering, quality soldering, and a friggin' guy and an inspection camera, and you know, there's still some stuff here, some plier friggin' sorting articles, and my pens and my pencils and some rolls of tape. You know what I mean? It's like you just got to find some homes for this stuff, and just not have it heaped on. You know, heaped on. That's no good. But anyways, boys, friggin' smoke cigarettes I go.